The government and the community is demanding a great deal more from the nonprofit. They're demanding more disclosure, more accountability. They are demanding a great deal more from the boards than the boards have ever done before.
I think that 2010 is going to be difficult. And I think it's going to be difficult in that good way of when you're under stress, you get back to the basics.
This is a terrible thing to waste because there's so much opportunity.
We have more demands on our services. It is ever more important for nonprofit organizations to think carefully about how to work effectively and about how to work in collaboration.
It allows boards and leaders to step up.
Particularly in times like this, it's really important for organizations to get back to their core mission. A strategic planning process is most important as a process, less important as a book.
The ability to vision into the future, to think about what will be the next challenges for organizations is really where VCG should focus its efforts.
And I think we're going to start looking into the question of how does leadership develop on boards?
There's a huge need for new, younger board members. And I see that VCG could be a very important player in that field.
I think when it comes to especially nonprofit boards, young professionals can be very helpful because they understand what's going on in the world right now.
Of course, we certainly want female board members. We certainly are looking for younger board members so we can grow them with the organization.
I was definitely nervous starting out, getting involved, but I really just, kind of sat quietly at meetings and then absorbed things and gradually, became more involved in the committee, and eventually I was co-chair of the committee.
Stepping Up Matters Conference was a really great venue to continue the dialogue that we've been having with a lot of folks, and it coincided perfectly with the merger of the two organizations.
I think the marriage between Governance Matters and VCG is a natural.
Marrying that sort of thought leadership to the intervention on the ground with boards is something that has been long overdue, and I think the missions of both of those organizations become stronger when they're knit together the way they are today.
In terms of the future for VCG, I'd like for us to be the go-to organization in terms of board consulting.